Python dictionaries. Okay. Now, a dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. In Python dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. All right. Just like the sets are written with curly brackets, Python dictionaries are also written with curly brackets. All right. But it's a collection which is unordered, changeable, and index. Okay, is unordered, it is not arranged, changeable, and then index. Now, to create a Python dictionary, first, after creating the variable name, this dict maybe just create your variable name, then use the assignment operator. After assignment operator, you include the open and close curly bracket. Then in between the open and close curly brackets, you type in your values of the dictionary. I may say my dict, which is my dictionary, equals to, then specify the curly bracket. Now inside the curly bracket you can type in what you need. NIG equals to Nigeria, comma, US, United States, comma, okay. Here we have created a dictionary by entering the key of the dictionary and the value of the dictionary, key and value. Okay, key and then value. Okay, now once your key is defined, it follows by colon. After colon, then you enter the value of the key. Whenever you call this key, the value will be printed. All right, and we say print my dictionary. Once I run the program, it prints the key NG, NIG, Nigeria, US, United States, UK, United Kingdom. All right, now maybe accessing the values on the dictionary. Okay, now if you want to access the values on the dictionary, here it says you can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key. Okay, by referring to its key name inside square bracket. Okay, uh yeah, we don't want to print the dictionary, but rather we want to access the dictionary. Whenever the user enters NIG, just print out Nigeria for the user. We say my dic using the square bracket NIG, right? As you can see, it has suggested this because it does exist. Now I have to print it out. You can now see it gives me Nigeria. Okay, once I enter this, it gives me Nigeria. I may right here enter another country like any other key. If I enter US and run the program, it gives me United States. Okay, if I should enter maybe let me say United States, it will raise an error. Key error, United States. Okay, there's nothing like United States as a key, rather I have United States as a value. Okay, I have it as a value, but I don't have it as a key. I only have US as a key. So if I want to access United States, I have to access it using the US. Please, 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 and please do not play with dictionary is well important. You must be using it while coding with Python. You can write many codes like let the user enter the abbreviation of their country name and you complete the country name for them. Maybe as assigned input. Okay, enter your country name, or enter your country name in abbreviation. Now we'll check my dig, then using the list S. Okay, because whatever the user enters is saved on S. All right, it's saved on S. Now we use the S as a value here. If we should print this out, if we should print this out, let us check. It says enter your country name in abbreviation, maybe NIG. If I should hit enter, it says Nigeria. All right, if I should run this again, as you can see here, there's no space here. It joins together because I didn't give space here. I have to give space here, and I may include the column. If I should run this once more, you can now see the column is here and the space has been given. All right, I can type in US. Okay, if I should enter, it says USA. I can also do it again and enter UK and hit enter. It says United Kingdom. Okay, this is how you can access your country name using by just abbreviation, or you can also use a country code. All right, you can also there's a video on my description where you understand this more, how you can, whenever the user enters their country code, it will tell the user the country which uses the country code. All right, I have made a video like that. You can go through this description or check somewhere above here. You see the link of that. Just check this my video here. Check this video. You will understand more on using dictionary to access this. I may say 234. Okay, as Nigerian code, and then US is maybe +1. Nigeria is +234. UK is +44. Right, if I should run this, I now say enter your country code. Now once I run this, or let me print, enter your country code 23 plus 234. I hit enter. It says your country is Nigeria. Sorry, if I should run this again, enter your country code, maybe +1. Sorry, +1, and hit enter. It says your country is United States. All right, if I should run this again and enter maybe +44 and hit enter, it says your country is United Kingdom. Now you can access a value by using the keys, and just the keys, and you get the value of what you're looking for. All right, we can also write this dictionary like this, which is the way it should be. My dig equals to the curly bracket, then you hit enter. All right, so you write your code right here and no more the way I did it. If you did the way I did it earlier, it will be very long, so it is not the right way you should do it. Just do it with this pattern. Okay. Maybe I'm writing about car. Maybe uh my cars. Then right here, say car. Lexus. Let me make this car type. Lexus. Then car model. Maybe 350. Lexus 350. Now there's a red line here. There's a red line here. Why? Simple, because I didn't add comma after this. Remember, while I was doing it previously, I added a comma when it was in a straight line. The sentence is applicable here. Just add a comma after you are done with the first one. Add a comma to continue with the next line. And after continuing with the next line, add a comma to continue with another line. Okay. Now I'll print the car type, the model, maybe year. Okay. 2020. Okay. Maybe condition. Uh, Good. There's a red line. There's a red line because of the absence of the comma. I have included a comma. The red line has left. Okay. Now we now have a car type, car model, year, and condition. Okay. Now we want to access this. We may say my car using the list. I want to get the car type. Remember, you have to type this in a string. Car type. You can see I got it, which means it does exist. Now I want to print this out. Print cars, the car type. Now once I run this, it says Lexus. The car type is Lexus. All right. We can make this more robust by using the input method. User equals to input. Please specify your choice. Now we have take the input from user, and we have to check the user's input by saying my cars, then using the list, the square bracket, input the user's input here. That we want to use user, because whatever the user I have entered is stored on user, and we now use the user as an argument to my cars. So it will print out the value according to what the user have entered. All right. We may set this to be answer equals to this. Now print answer. Okay. Once we run this, it says please specify your choice. My choice, I want to know the cars you guys have. The cars available. The car type. Once I hit enter, it says Lexus. Okay. If I should run the program again, and since it's Lexus, I want to know the model. I'll say model and hit enter. No, I don't have model. What I have is car model. All right, car model, not just a model. I have to run the program again and specify car model. It says Lexus 350. All right. If I should run the program again, I can ask any question at any time. Maybe I want to get the condition of the car. It says good. It is good. Okay. Maybe let me get the year the car was created. It says 2020. Okay. Uh, you can do a lot of things with this. You can do a lot of things with this, like if the user check the car type, you may print out your car type is Lexus. If the user enters car model, you may print out the car model is Lexus 350. If year, print out uh the year the year it was made is maybe 2020. The condition is good. Okay, you can do that by entering more codes, like user equals to input. You take the user's input and save here, and it is saved on users. All right, now we may use the if statement. If user equal to, we use the double equals to say equals to, but we use just one equal sign. We use one equal sign for assignment operator, and we use double equal sign for equals to. Okay, for equals to, that is simply means true if it is true. Okay, if user equals to car car type. Okay, if it's equals to car type, print uh the car type is, maybe a comma or a plus sign, any can work. The car type is my cars using list user. All right, because it is stored on user. Okay, I don't need this. So now if the user doesn't enter my car type, maybe else if, which is elif, else if user equals, which is equals to car model, is equals to car model, column, print the car model is, maybe use comma, my cars, then bracket user, which is what the user enters. Okay, now elif again, elif user equals to year, print the car was produced in the year my car dot user. Okay, it will access, it will get the answer from here. Then finally the condition, elif user equals to condition, print condition of the car is my car dot user. Right, now you have written this block of codes just to settle one case. Here is the dictionary where it was defined, and here is the block of code you have written to make use of the dictionary to serve the customers well. Right, now once I run this, it says please specify your choice. I want to know the car type. It says the car type is Lexus. All right, now to do more tasks, like it has ended, I have to run this again to do another task. But to do more tasks, I may use the while loop. Remember, I have taught you about while loop. The while loop, okay, to loop through this content. It will keep on looping through the content and producing the answer. Okay, now remember, the while loop will keep on looping through the content if the condition is true. So we say why true. True starts with capital T because it's a class. We say why true, run all the block of codes. Now is showing, it's marking here somehow color because there's an error. We have to indent this. That's what it means. Okay, we have to indent it to be like a child to the while loop. Once after the indentation, now the errors has been corrected. If I should run the program now, no need to click run again. Whatever I do, it keep on looping. Okay, let me say car type. It says car type is Lexus. Specify, please specify your choice. Now I don't have to click on run again. It's keep on pumping up. I can now say car model. It says the car model is Lexus 350. Okay, earlier was the car type is Lexus. Now the car model is Lexus 350. It now says please specify your choice. I might say maybe what's the year of the car. Yeah, it says the car was produced in the year 2020. All right, specify your choice. I may say condition and hit enter. It says the condition of the car is good. All right, I can say access anything at any time. I can say car model. I hit enter. It says the car model is Lexus 350. What if I enter any key that does not exist on the dictionary? Okay, maybe um uh, 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 new or old. Maybe new. I hit enter. It gives me no answer. Rather, it keeps on looping. Or I may add old. It keeps on looping but gives me no answer because it does not exist on the dictionary. So dictionary is very more important. It is very, very much important. um if you need to learn more about dictionary, just leave a comment. I'll be so happy to make more videos about dictionary. Any question, just leave your question in the comment section. I'll be so happy and so glad to answer your questions. All right, I can change the year of the dictionary. Like the year here is 2020. Okay, I can maybe I now have a new car, and it was produced on 2022 or probably 2023. Right here I can just come down here or anywhere at all. I can just come up here and say don't worry, let me remove the while loop because I don't think we need it again. Okay, I'll send these things back. Okay, now I want to change the year of the car. Let me say my cars, that is the dictionary name, using the list. What I want to access, the year. Now here on the year, I want to set it to be equals to 2023, or let me turn it to a list. 2023. All right, like over here it was set this year equals to 2018. Right, now once I print this, I want to get the year. It says the car was produced in the year 2023. In the year 2023. Now, had it been I added year here, although it's the same thing, it says it was produced on the year 2023. So you can make changes. Okay, you can make changes by calling typing the name of the dictionary, using the open and close square brackets, and including the key of what you want to change. The key. After including the key, then using the assignment operator, assign the value you want to change. Okay, it will also work and give you the answer you're looking for. Looping through a dictionary. You can loop through a dictionary by using the for loop. When looping through a dictionary, the return value are the keys of the dictionary, but there are methods to return the values as well. All right. Now print all keys names in the dictionary one by one. Print all key names in the dictionary one by one. Okay. You can use the for loop to just print the key names. You may say for S in the dictionary name, print X. All right. This is how we can do that. I think we are done with this. We don't need this anymore. Okay. Let me say for S in my car, colon, print S. Once I run the program, it says car type, car model, year, and condition. Okay, you just print out the values, but you just print out the keys. I'm sorry, you just print out the keys and not the values, so you can access the values using the key. Once you want to know the value of the dictionary, just use the for loop to list them, to iterate through the dictionary, and it will give you the keys. So once you enter the keys, it will give you the value. I can also specify my cars using the list. Let's see what will be the answer. It says Lexus 350 2020 and good. Okay, these are the values. How I got the values was because I included the 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 dictionary name, and then S stores the iterator, stores the keys. Remember when we printed just S, it printed the keys of the dictionary, like the car type, the car model, the year, and condition. Now the keys are stored on S. Now I used my dictionary and the uh, 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 open and close bracket, the square bracket, to access the keys. Then it will print out the values. That was how I was able to get the values. Okay, like we have been doing already before. So adding the dictionary name with a square bracket, including the iterator, it will iterate through the values and print out the value names. All right. Here, print all values in the dictionary one by one, which is what we did. All right. And then you can also get the values without doing that. We can say I have to remove this. My card dot values, right? Print S. It also gives me values. Okay. For S in my car dot values. Okay. It print S. It gives me the values. I can say dot items. Dot items. Once I run it, it gives me all the items. Car type is Lexus, car model is Lexus 350, year 2020, condition good. Okay, it gives me it just gives me the key and the value by using items. Okay, it will give you both the key and the values. Check if a key does exist. Um, to determine if a specified key is present in a dictionary, use the in key keyword. Okay. Check if model is present in the dictionary. I had a dictionary. We may say if mother in dictionary print, yes, mother is one of the dictionary, like we have been doing. We have done this several times here. Uh, if car mother in my cars print, yes, maybe s print, no. I should run this. It says yes because you have car model. What if maybe uh just car new? So avoid wasting our time. It says no, we don't have something like that. Okay, by using the s, it will run this. If it does, it will run this. All right. So there are a lot of things to do with dictionary. Dictionary is very good. Now you can check the dictionary length by using the len. Print the number of items in the dictionary. Print len dictionary. We all know that it just gives you the length of the dictionary. Now adding items to a dictionary. Uh, Adding an item to a dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. Right? You may say this dictionary color equals to red. Okay, once this name here does not exist, it will append it. It will just add the value. All right, like when we say my car using the list, or maybe we should try this with already existing. So I will show you something. Maybe car type equals to Toyota. All right, if I should print my cars dot item, it gives me car type equals to Toyota. All right, car type has been changed to Toyota. Car model is Lexus. Year is 2022. Condition is good. Car type has been changed to Toyota because it does exist already. Now, what if I enter a name that does not exist? Maybe car color equals to um red. If I should run this, it will append it. I have car type Lexus, car model Lexus 350, car year 2020, condition good. Then car color has been added. Car color red. All right, because the key I specified here does not exist on the dictionary, so it will add to it. Okay, that is how we work with dictionary. Now removing an item. Dot pop model, we just remove the model. Okay, remember you have to type in using the key and not the value. There are several methods to remove items from a dictionary. The pop method remove the item with the specified key. Once you add the dictionary name dot pop, all right, then enter the key, it will just remove the model entirely. It will remove this entirely. All right, there are many other ways. You can say pop items. Okay, the pop items method remove the last inserted items. Okay, and versions before this for about that one. Okay, now once I use the pop item, it will remove the last, which is this. Let us try that. My car dot pop items. Don't worry. Print. Condition is normal. Okay, we only have the year. Condition is normal. So the pop items will remove the last item. Okay, but using the pop, you will specify what you want to remove, like year. You have car type, let's use car model, let's use 350, condition good, but there is no year. Year has been removed from the list. So we use the pop to remove by entering the specified value, but the pop item we use to remove the last item. We can use the del. Okay, the del keyword to delete. Okay, keyword remove the item with the specified key name. Remember earlier, whenever I specify the del, it will just delete the variable entirely. But here, once I specify the del keyword with followed by the dictionary name, then here you specify what you want to delete. It will delete both this and its value. That is what the del keyword will do. It will not delete the dictionary entirely. Rather, it will just delete this which was specified. All right, that's how you can use the del keyword. But now, once you never specify what you want to do, it will delete the dictionary entirely. All right, I can say del del car type. Once I run this, I have car model, car year, and condition. Car type has been deleted because of the presence of this del. Now, if I should remove this without specifying what I want to delete, it will delete car entirely. Okay, it says name error. Name my car is not defined because I have deleted it already. So the del keyword will delete everything about the dictionary, but once you specify what you want to delete, it will just delete that and leave the rest for you. Now we have clear. Clear will just clear everything. Like the clear method empties the dictionary. Okay, once you write the name of the dictionary dot clear, it will just empty the dictionary. We have a copy. Okay, you cannot copy a dictionary simply by typing dict2 equals to dict1 because dict2 will only be referenced to dict1, and changes made in dict1 will automatically also be made in dict2. There are ways to make a copy. One way is to use the built-in dictionary method called copy. Right, make a copy of dictionary with the copy method. Now I have my dict equals to this dict dot copy, like we normally did. It will just copy this and save on that. Like here, I'm gonna say my my new car equals to my cars dot copy. Print my cars and also print my new cars. Okay, I have the same value. Car type, the same value. You can see I have the same value. All right, I can make changes on this and it will not affect this. I can make on this and it will not affect this. That is the essence of copying and doing some other tasks. All right, we have nested dictionaries. A dictionary can also contain many dictionaries. This is called nested dictionaries. Example, create a dictionary that contains three dictionaries. Okay, inside of a dictionary we can write many other dictionaries. Now I just created a dictionary called my cars. All right, now inside my cars I now come down here and I want to create more dictionaries inside this dictionary because I have many types of cars. Okay, now I have to specify this is a open curly bracket and this is a closing curly bracket. inside of this curly bracket we will write all we want to write. Okay, I may include another curly bracket and then open it right in between it, and then I will have to specify what I want to do. Right here I may say um car brand. Car brand equals to Lexus. You have to include a comma. Then we also year 2020 and condition. Or to be typing this will waste a lot of time. Let me just copy that. As you can see here now, my family, I have child one, name and year. Name, Emil, year 2004. All right. Here we have a list, a dictionary of my families. Now on the dictionary, the first one here I have child one. Inside of child one we have name, Emil and year 2021. Now we have child 2. Inside of child 2 we have name, Tobias and year 2207. Child 3. Inside of child 3 we have name, Linus and year 2011. Alright, I may access the dictionary by calling the dictionary name my family and then using the list. Maybe I want to access the child 1. As you can see, when I type in C, it brings out all the keys. Like we have the keys, we have child 1, child 2, and child 3. Child 1 contains a value of Emil, and she was born on 2004. The next one contains child 2 contains Tobias, and he was born on 2007. All right. Now we can. This stands like a key. It's just a parameter. Okay, parameters, and it stands like a key. All right. Now once I enter the key as child 1, if I should print this, it will print out all the datas in child 1. You can now see it's only print out a male, and he was born on 2004. All right, hope you understand how we wrote this. My family equals to this, then child 1 dot. Don't worry, let me write this to show you. My family equals to a dictionary. Now here in this dictionary, I click enter to separate the both. Okay, now I have to specify a key. Child 1, which is the first child, is now a key, right? Using the column, initially I should just normally I should just type child 1. I should just type the name, like maybe John. Okay, normally I have created a dictionary with only this child 1. I have John, but I don't want to do it like this. I want this child 1 to contain another dictionary. Instead of containing this as a value, I want the value to be another dictionary. All right, now to do that, I have to just remove this and include another dictionary here. Then right inside of here, I have to type in the values. Now when I'm typing the values, I have to include another keys. Right, I hit enter to type in for this. Now using the strange, I'll type in the name of the child to be John. Okay, and and year of birth, just year like that. I want it to be 22, just 2000. Okay, now I'm done with this. Right here I want to specify another value. I want to specify another value, maybe child 2. Okay, now I enter another curly bracket as a value and hit enter. Then right here I enter the name of my child 2 to be a male, and the year to be 202. Now I'm done with my child 2. Then right here I want to enter another child, maybe child 3. Now this is a key. I want to enter a value for that. Instead of entering a value, I'll just enter the value like a dictionary again. That's a curly bracket, and I enter the name to be joy. Sorry, with a strange joy, comma, and then year she was born on maybe 2005. Okay, now I've created a lot of dictionaries. I've created a lot of dictionary. I think I should include a comma here, include a comma here. Okay, now what I did here is, this is a dictionary key. Okay, it's a dictionary key with the column. After the column I have to specify the values of the key. Now instead of just specifying the value of the key, I entered another dictionary as the value of the key. Okay, this is another dictionary. I entered it as the value of that key. Okay, now once I call this key, I have to got this. All right, now here again I enter, this is another key, the second key. Instead of, after the column, instead of entering the value, I entered another dictionary as the value. So once I call this key, it get this value, get this as its value. All right, the same thing, I can also get the email by just the name, by just entering the name of this. All right, so this is how we created this. Now I printed first child. Once I print it, it gives me this value, because this is the value of the first child, of the keys of that first child. So it will give me that. Let me check if this will also work. Maybe first child and then name. Let us check. Once I run this, okay, you can see it works. It says John, the first child of the key. Now instead of printing, I enter another key. Okay, my family, first key and second key, which is on the first child I want to get the name. All right, and the name is John. I can also say on the third child I want to get the name. All right, once I run it, it says joy. Okay, I can specify the year, and it says 2005. Joy was born on 2005, which is this. So It is very easy to access. If you create your dictionary, this is called nested dictionary. It will help you a lot on coding and many of the things you want to do with dictionary. Okay, the dictionary constructor. It is also possible to use the dic constructor to make a new dictionary. All right, like we have been doing, just include the dic constructor and it will do that for you. This dic equals to dic, then brand equals to Ford, comma, model equals to Mustang, year equals to this. That is, this is the dictionary. This is the dictionary. Now we enter the key. This stands as the key. Then we set and with an assignment operator to assign Ford to be the value of the brand. Now using the comma, we separate this, and then we create another key. Model equals to Mustang. Okay, this is the value year, and this is the value. By using the dict, okay, dict constructor, it will convert this to a dictionary. Although the bracket is not a curly bracket, it's just a round bracket. Once the presence of this dict function, it will convert it to a dictionary, and it will serve as a dictionary. Once you call the brand, it will access Ford. Okay, here dictionary method, we have clear method, we have copy, we have frame keys, return a dictionary with specified keys and values. Okay, now while writing a dictionary, you cannot include two dictionaries at the spot. Maybe two same name. Like when you have the first child and second child and third child, you cannot have two first child here. Okay, it cannot be created. Like this is the first child one and another child one, something like this. You can see it have changed the color. It have changed the color. Once I run this, it will give me an error. Like once I want to access the child one, it only got the first one and left the second one. Okay, it's got the second one and left the first one. So it is not allowed to do it that way. Once I run this, okay, it's not allowed to use the same key name on dictionary. Now, the dictionary method, we have the get. We use get to get a value, return the value of a specified key. All right. We have the items, the keys, the pop item. There are many of them. All right. There are many of them. Now, why handle with dictionary? Remove all element from the car list. So we use the clear method. Once you say car.clear, car is the name of the dictionary, dot clear, it will just clear everything on the car list. All right, that is how that works in Python. Okay,